Welcome students to the maths classes. In this video we are going to discuss class 12 topic integration, and these rules we are going to use here. One of them is given dx upon x square minus x square. Next, a square minus x square. If we see these two, there is a difference of only negative sign, but answers are different. How can we apply? If we see here, coefficient of x square in each case should be 1. How can we apply? We see with the help of examples. This one. First of all, coefficient should be 1. So we are taking 16 common outside. So it becomes x square minus 25 by 16. If we see here, both the terms should be perfect square. So we are going to make it perfect square. 1 by 16 dx. It is a square of x and it is a square of 5 by 4. Same way we do in other cases. If we see here, it is a form of x square minus a square. First one, it is in the 1 by double of a, log of x minus a divided by x plus a. So it can be written like this: 1 by 16, 1 by twice of a, log of x minus c divided by x plus a. Plus c, that is known as constant of integration. Simplified, 4 cancel out at 4, it becomes over 40 log of, after LCM we get 4x minus 5 divided by 4x plus 5 plus. And next, if you see here, same coefficient of x is not 1, taking 9 common, we get dx divided by 1 by 9 minus x square. 1 by 9 outside. Both the terms should be perfect square. A square is positive, x square is negative. So we have to use second rule of it. It can be written as square of 1 by 3. It is a square of x. According to rule, it is given by 1 by double of a, log of a plus x divided by a minus x, plus here 3 cancel out 9 and 3, so it becomes 1 by 6. Log of, if we simplify, we get 1 plus 3x divided by 1 minus 3x plus. Next one, if you see here, again coefficient of x is not known. Taking 9 common outside, we get this one. dx upon 4 by 9 plus x here. 1 by 9 remains same. dx upon, it is a square of 2 by 3 plus x. Now it becomes x square plus a square outside. Rule number 3. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Term remains same. 1 by a value tan inverse x, a value is 2 by 3 plus simplify. 3 cancel out 9 and 3, so it becomes 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x by 2 plus. This is the final answer. Like this we can apply here for second and third rule. Now we are going to discuss another type when the data comes in scale. Means we are going to discuss rule number 4, 5 and 6. Same concept. Make the coefficient of x square first 1. So we have to take 9 common outside. If we take 9 common outside, it is operated by cube, it becomes 3. It is given by 4 by 9 minus x square. If we see here, it can be written as dx divided by 4 by 9 is a square of 2 by 3 minus square of x. Now it becomes a square minus x square in square. It is given by sine inverse x by a plus c. So 1 by 3x is sine inverse x by a plus c. If we simplify, our answer comes out 1 by 3 sine inverse 3x by 2 plus. In the next one, again coefficient of x is not 1. So taking 4 common outside with scale, it becomes 2. dx divided by, in scale, it becomes x square minus 1 by. If this is a perfect scale, it can be written as square of 1 by 2. X square remains same, it is a square of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 already also. Now it becomes x square minus a square in scale. Rule number 5. This one. So applying this one, log of x x square minus a square plus constant. This is a final answer. We can also simplify. If we simplify, if we see here, it can be written like this: 4x square minus 1 in square. 4 comes outside. C 1 by 2 log of, if we take LCM, it becomes oral 2x plus square root of 4x square minus 1 by 2. So we are going to apply property log m by log n. If you see here, log m is variable. Log n is constant. If we constant add with constant, it becomes new constant. So we can write like this: 1 by 2 log of 2x plus square root of 4x minus 1 plus constant change. Same we are going to apply here. Coefficient of x is also taking common for outside, it becomes 2 dx with square root of 1 by 4 plus x. It becomes 1 by 2 dx in square root 1 by 4 can get the square of 1 by 2 plus x. It is like a square plus x square in square root. Rule number 6. So it can be written like this: 1 by 2 as is log of x plus full data as is a square plus x square plus. On the same way, we simplify like this. Finally, we get this answer: 1 by 2 log of 2x plus in square root 1 plus 4x square plus. Like this, we can apply rule number 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to discuss another type. If you see here highest power is 6, highest power is 4 and highest power is given by 2. In highest power 2, we know that we can take integration, but we are having the rule for only variable, not for log function. So we are going to use a substitution method. So we are taking here log of x as t. Derivative of log, it is given by 1 by x dx is equal to t. If you see here 1 by x dx, this data become d. Now what is that? 7 plus 3 log x will replace by t. Now we have to make coefficient of square term as 1 first. Taking 3 common outside, it becomes dt divided by 7 by 3 plus t. According to our rule, both the terms should be perfect square. It is a perfect square, it is not a perfect square. So to make it perfect square, use cube and then square. Now it becomes rule of a square plus x square, which is given by 1 by a data tan inverse x by a plus, if we simplify, we get final answer 1 by square root of 21 tan inverse square root 3 come outside with t divided by square root of 7 plus. Using the value of t is, we have chosen here log x, replacing the value tan inverse in bracket we are using square root 3 times log of x divided by square root of 7 plus. Same way, if we see here, we know the rule for only highest power 2. So we have to convert x raised to power 6 into x square. How can we convert? We can write 6 power as square of cube. Means we can write like this. It is a square of x cube. Making it new variable, putting x cube as t. So that will become 3x square dx is equal to d. If you see here, x square dx we are having, but 3 is not there. So multiply by 3 divided by balance out. 1 by 3. After value goes in dt, this value becomes t square, but it is not a perfect square. So again we are writing this one, square of a cube. Now it becomes rule of a square minus x square, which is given by 1 by twice of a log of a plus x divided by a minus x. Now using the value of t, it becomes 1 by 6 a cube log of a cube plus t. T we have chosen here x cube. Replace the value. It is a cube minus x cube plus. If we see this one, again power is 4, so we have to make it 2 power. If we see, the derivative of x raised to power 4 contains x cube, but does not contain x. So we have to make separate them first. So x cube dx divided by x raised to power 4 minus 9 plus x dx divided by 4 power can be written as square because it is not a derivative of it. So we are going to convert perfect square method. In this, derivative of x square is x dx we can get. So using substitution method, x square as t. Derivative of x square become 2x dx dt. Balancing it, multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Here, derivative of derivative become 4x cube minus 0. So we need here for balance. It becomes derivative of denominator upside. We have done the rule in substitution method. If function is downside, derivative is upside, and the power of function is 1, then the answer of equation becomes log of function. Means log of x to the power 4 minus 9. For this, if you see it, we are writing again log of x to the power 4 minus 9 plus 1 by 2 s is here upper value converting dt. Then it will become t square minus 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. It becomes x square minus a square root, which is given by 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus first one remains same 1 by 4 log of x to the power 4 minus 9, taking same as is 1 by 4 log of x to the power 4 minus 9. It becomes 1 by 12. Now, what is the value of t? X square. Replacing it, x square minus 3 divided by x square plus 3. Means in this, we are using substitution method as well as the new rules we are applying. Now we are going to discuss other examples. If you see here, 1 upon square root 2 minus x whole square minus 1 with dx. Another one, secant square is dx divided by 4 plus square of tangent. Sin x minus cos x divided by square root of sin 2x dx. In this case, if you see here, it is not a single variable, group of 2. So we are going to make it simple by putting this as t. Derivative 2 is 0, derivative of x is 1. So minus dx is equal to dt. But we are having only dx. So shifting this sum on the right hand side, we get minus dt square root of t square minus 1. 1 can be written as square of 1. Now it becomes x square minus a square formula, which is given by log of x plus x square minus a square plus. Replacing the value of t back, we get minus 1 time log of t means 2 minus x plus t means 2 minus x with power 2 minus 1 plus c. If you see here again, we know the rule only for algebra, not for trigonometry. So we are going to make it algebraic. So put tangent of x as t. Derivative of tangent is given by secant square with dx is equal to t. If you see here, secant square x dx we are having in the numerator. So numerator changing dt divided by 4 can be written as square of 2. It can be written as square of t. Now it becomes x square plus a square root, which is given by 1 by a tangent inverse x by e. Replacing the value of t as tangent x, we get 1 by 2 tangent inverse tangent x by 2 plus. Now, if we see the next example, if you see here, sin x minus cos x divided by square root of sin 2x. Here angle is x, but here angle is double. So we have to make them same angle. So we are going to use sin theta formula here, which can be written as numerator remains same. Sin theta formula is our 2 sin theta cos theta. If you see here, it deals like 2ab. So we are going to make here a square plus b square also, adding 1 in it and subtracting 1 in it. Now which one we have to change? Because it is a derivative of cos theta with negative sign and it is a derivative of sin x. If you see here, it is a derivative of sin x, it is a derivative of cos x. But symbol, derivative of cos is minus sign. Here symbol change. Derivative of sin is cos, symbol also. Both symbol change. It means we have to make it alternative in denominator, which become the substitution method. So we are going to make here first in denominator. Numerator remains same. We have to choose the grouping out of these two, which we have to choose here first. 2 sin x cos x remain same. Now, which we have to choose here? If we replace 1 by cos square plus sin square, we get the derivative of cos x plus sin x whole square. If we use this one, we get cos square plus sin square in place of 1 means a square plus b square plus 2ab. We get a plus b whole square. Derivative of cos x become minus sin x and derivative of sin x become cos x. Simple reversal. It means we need this form. Means when the derivative contains one positive, one negative, then we make a positive as a perfect square. So changing this one by cos square x plus sin square x. Minus 1, 7. Making this perfect square, sin x minus cos x with dx. In derivative we get a square plus b square plus 2ab, which can be written as a plus b whole square. Minus 1 can be written as 0. Now we are using cos x plus sin x is equal to 2 using substitution method. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x with dx is equal to b. What is the change here? Here sin is positive but here is negative. Cos is negative, here positive. So we need to change here sin. So taking negative on both sides, so upper value become minus of dt, then it will become t square minus 1 square. Now it becomes x square minus a square, which is given by log of x axis plus x square minus a square axis plus. Replacing the value of t, we get minus 1 times log of t means cos x plus sin x. If we use it here, t replaced by cos x plus sin x whole square minus 1 plus sin. If we simplify this bracket, we get oral this treatment after simplification. So answer becomes minus 1 times log of cos x plus sin x plus square root of sin 2x plus c. So like this, we can simplify in case of trigonometry as well as algebra. Thank you.